Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Doctor Strange from the Marvel and Miniso collab. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's start with the curve down here on the left. And the same thing on the right side. And now let's connect them at the bottom. Next, let's add the hairline. Let's step down slightly from the top and let's draw a curve across. And then from the sides, let's step in and let's draw a curve down. And then add a diagonal line inside each of these sections. Now, underneath the right side of the hairline, let's draw a line down here, and then curve it back up. And then erase the hairline on top of it. Next, let's finish off the head by drawing the hair at the top. From the top right line, let's draw a curve over and down. And then from the top, step in slightly and another curve up. And then back down again. And now let's do this 2 more times to close off the head. Now that we're done the shape of the head, let's move in and draw the face next. Let's start by drawing a large circle on the right for the eye. And the same thing for the left side. Next, let's add the eyebrows. Above the eyes, let's draw a curve up and out like this. And now from the inside line, let's draw another curve up. And now close off the end with a diagonal line. Now let's color the eyes and the eyebrows in black. Next, let's hop down and draw his mustache. On the bottom left, let's draw a line up and then curve it in. And the same thing on the right. And then connect the lines at the top. And now let's draw the same shape underneath. And then lastly for the face, let's draw the mouth inside with a downwards curve. Next, let's hop to the outside and add the ears. On the left, let's draw a curve down. And the same thing for the right ear. And that's it for the head. Let's draw the body next. Let's start under the head and let's draw lines down for the sides of the body. Next, in the center, let's draw 2 curves across. And then inside, let's draw 2 vertical lines on the left and 2 on the right. Next, in that top section, let's draw an eyeball shape like this. And then add a border inside. And now inside at the top, let's draw a U shape, and then another one below it. And now on the top left, let's draw 2 diagonal lines, and on the right. Next, let's hop down under the belt, and we're going to draw a diagonal line down here, and another one on the right. And then from the bottom, let's curve it back up to the side. And the same thing on the right side. Next, underneath in the middle, let's draw a curve across. That's it for the torso. Now let's add the legs at the bottom. From the outside line, let's angle it down. And now let's draw the inside of the legs with lines down, like this. And now close off the foot with a curve at the bottom. And the same thing on the right side. Next, inside each leg, let's draw a curve at the top. And then another set of curves at the bottom. And that's it for the legs and feet. Let's draw the arms next. On the left side, under the head, let's draw a curve down. And the same on the right. Now let's hop out and draw the other side of the arm. And then a curve at the bottom to close it off. Next, inside each arm, let's draw another curve. Now under the arms, let's add the hands. From the outside line, let's draw a bent line down like this. And then another one on the inside for the thumb. And now let's close off the hand like this. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's add his cape. On the side of the head, let's draw a point out and back into the arm. And the same thing on the right. And then inside each of these, let's add a border. Next, let's move down and draw the bottom of the cape. From underneath the hand, let's draw diagonal lines down on both sides. And now let's connect the sides for the bottom of the cape. And let's go behind the legs and feet. And that's it for Doctor Strange. Now let's quickly color him in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!